How positive thinking can help you live life on your own terms. There's really nothing more rewarding and fulfilling than living life the way you want to live it. When you don't worry about other people's expectations, you tend to be happier. But the thing is, we don't live alone in a bubble. So, in today's presentation, I'm going to show you how you can use the power of positive thinking to live life on your own terms. Here's how. Number 1, focus on what really matters. It's easy enough to lose focus when you're so busy in your everyday life. You simply don't have time to think about what the future holds. You tend to see short-term, and your long-term goals somehow fade into the background. If you want to live life on your own terms someday, then you need to recalibrate your focus and not lose sight of your dreams. Number 2, overcome all the negativity in your life. You're probably surrounded by negative people who do nothing but spout off negativity in your ear. You don't want to be dictated by negative thinkers, right? So stay away from them. Find someplace else where you can let positivity shine through you again. Look for like-minded people who will share your interests, or who will at least be supportive of your goals in life. Number 3, enjoy your achievements no matter how small. You have to savor your achievements. You've worked hard to achieve those. It doesn't matter how small or trivial you think your achievement is. Celebrate all the good things that have happened in your life. Sometimes it's the small things that can drive us to pursue the big things we want in life. Number 4, think happy thoughts. When you've steered clear from negative thinking, it will be much easier for you to think happy thoughts. Think about all the things you want to do, who you want to be. You'll feel more optimistic about the future. Number 5, work on your self-belief. Living life the way you want to will entail a lot of self-belief. You simply can't get there without believing in yourself. Purge yourself from self-doubt. Free yourself from your past failures. And just believe that you can do it. When you think like that, you've already won half the battle. Continue fighting and believing in yourself, and you'll soon live life on your own terms.